So I just got a Wally to set up with my, I think it's a Playmaker 2. It's mounted to this RV from the factory. And I know there's a lot of questions about this mess of wires that are in this. This is a 2012 Fleetwood Bounder 35K. I believe the previous owner had a DirecTV system, and that's what this switch unit is for here. It's no longer used with the dish because the dish receives its power from the Wally. It's really not as complicated as it looks. Basically, what you've got here is you got a couple of these HDMI splitters, and there's a pair of them in here. And the reason for that is one of the HDMI that come out of your Blu-ray will go into a splitter, and then what comes out of here is going to be for the TV that is above the driver and the other TV that is in the living room above the fireplace. Now, that leaves your TV in the bedroom and the external, the outside TV, with no HDMI, which is really a bummer. I wish they would have ran HDMI. But what they did instead was they put one of these old school RCA, you know, your red, white, and yellow connector into a coax, which will go in here. That is also used for your antenna. So if this button is on, you are powering your antenna. If it is off, it's going to, in this case, let my Wally work, because in the back of the Wally, you'll see you've got your HDMI out, right, get some wires out of the way, right here. That's gonna end up powering those other two TVs. And these RCAs are going to provide the signal to my outside and my bedroom TV. Really, the difference is watching TV, it's not a big deal. You're not in high def. But when you go to the guide, it's a little grainy. I would love to run an HDMI cable. I'm just not sure exactly how I'm going to get that back there. So I've got to try to figure that out. Other than that, it's just power back here. There's actually a second coax cable, and that's because this PlayStation has the capability, or this Playmaker has the capability of to run two different Wallies. So if you want to do that, you can. So if you have any question on this wiring, I'll do my best to answer it. I'm still figuring a little bit about a lot of coax connections here, but it's all splitters just going to everything. Hope this helps.